Hey everyone! Today we're going to go over our Pirate Promise program benefits. So if you are new to the Pirate Promise program or you're just interested in joining us, we are going to go over all the awesome opportunities you can benefit from as a part of the program. So if you're not familiar with Pirate Promise, that's totally okay. Pirate Promise is a co-admission transfer pathway for students who are in their first year of their community college. So the program guarantees your admission to the ECU community. It also gives you the opportunity to engage with ECU while you're still enrolled in your community college. We also offer resources, unofficial advising, and on-campus opportunities for you as well. And last but not least, once you are ready to apply to ECU, we offer a fee waiver and application assistance. All right, so an overview of all the different benefits of the program. So, like I said before, you do get guaranteed admission to ECU as well as a waived application fee. You also have the opportunity to engage with your transfer coach. So, a transfer coach is someone who can help you with anything that you need in your transfer to the university. So, if you need help figuring out what courses are going to transfer, how to sign up for housing, just any questions that you have, that is your go to person. We also offer joint financial aid counseling and micro scholarship opportunities and the eligibility to purchase an ECU One Card for a one-time fee of $10 to get access to all sorts of different on-campus and virtual opportunities. ECU Career Services is very proud to offer a virtual job shadow opportunity for our Pirate Promise students and a virtual workshop series as well. And last but not least, Pirate Promise students are more than welcome to participate in our exclusive campus activities, including our invitation-only Pirate Promise Day. So like I mentioned before, you are guaranteed admission to ECU as a Pirate Promise student. However, you do need to maintain your eligibility requirements as a part of the program. So that means you do need to maintain that 2.5 GPA. You need to be enrolled full time, so that is 12 hours for the fall and spring term, unless you are in CCP or early college. And you need to be enrolled in your transferable associate degree program. Now, something to keep in mind, guys, early college and career and college promise students will apply to ECU as freshman applicants. And if you've already graduated high school as a transfer student, you will apply as a transfer student. The Pirate Promise program doesn't guarantee admission to a specific major or program, which is why it is so important to make sure that you are maintaining contact with your transfer coach to make sure that you stay on the right track. And speaking of your transfer coach, so as a transfer coach, we will be coming to your campus hopefully at least once a semester to meet with you and answer any questions you have about applying to ECU, or of course, how are your classes going to transfer over to the university. We also offer all sorts of different virtual appointments and workshops for you. So anything that you're interested in learning about at the university, like student organizations, financial aid, really anything that you're interested in. If you want to come to our athletic events, let us know, and we are definitely going to be there every step of the way to make sure you get your transfer questions answered. All right, so our ECU One Card, probably the most popular benefit of Pirate Promise. So what can you use your ECU One Card for? You can use it to use our campus libraries, the Career Center. You can use it to be a member of a student organization, attend our athletic events. You can even come onto campus and use it to ride our bus system around the Greenville area. And you can also buy a student membership to our Student Recreation Center as well. To get your ECU One Card, it is very simple. All you need is a state-issued ID card, $10, and your ECU ID number. And there are two locations to get your One Card. The first one is in the old cafeteria complex on main campus. And the second location is on our health science campus at the 224 Health Science Student Center. And if you have questions about obtaining your One Card, definitely let these folks know. I've listed the phone numbers right here for you and the email addresses as well. All right, so how do you find your ECU email and Pirate ID? So these are going to be really important if you want to access our virtual resources as a Pirate Promise student. So what you're going to do is you're just going to log into your Pirate Promise portal as a current Pirate Promise student, and you're going to find your ECU email address and your Pirate ID. And there is a picture of those for you right here. And then what you're going to do to activate your Pirate ID is you're going to go to this website, pirateid.ecu.edu. You're going to copy and paste the Pirate ID that you see in your Pirate Promise portal. And then after that takes place, you have access to your ECU student email. And from that place, you can really just use that information to log into whatever virtual portals you need. So like I said, the Writing Center, the Career Center, events, student organizations, and the libraries as well. So when you're ready to apply to ECU, you are given a fee waiver as a Pirate Promise student, which is awesome. The only thing that you need to do to access that fee waiver is just to email us. Email piratepromise@ecu.edu, and we will go ahead and send you your fee waiver so that you can apply to ECU absolutely free. And last but not least, our RaiseMe scholarship opportunities. So RaiseMe is a platform that ECU has partnered with that helps eligible students earn micro scholarships for academic and extracurricular achievements, either through their high school or community college. So for high school students, some of the things that you can earn scholarships for are, of course, your grades, your attendance, visiting our campus, attending some of our fairs, or completing the FAFSA application. For community college students, some of the things that you guys can earn scholarships for are, of course, grades, participating in student organizations, or meeting with a transfer advisor here at ECU. And if you want more information about the RaiseMe Scholarship Platform, I do have the website for you right here. It's admissions.ecu.edu/afford/RaiseMe. All right, friends, that is a brief overview of the benefits of the Pirate Promise program. Thank you for joining me.